And since AIMS was established under one of the acts of the Constitution which motivated biomedical research, I thought that this could be the best opportunity for me to explore more of the avenues.
The best part about both bachelor's and master's in this field is that it is a professional field, so we can both go into the research field as well as the professional area in the job field.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to tell you something very amazing thing that I have never discussed so far, and that is my education purpose in this medical college and what I have done so far in this medical college, AIMS New Delhi. Many of people don't have any idea regarding the other courses than MBBS, MD and PhD and all. But in this particular video, me and my roommate, Mr. Adit Adlakha, meet Adit Adlakha is here. So my friend Adit Adlakha is here. He is also my roommate, and my another roommate Swasa Sumani is here. So ये दोनों यहाँ पे एक तो मेरे ही बैच में काम कर रहा है, मतलब साथ में पढ़ा है. He is doing nuclear medicine, MSc in nuclear medicine, and this fellow is doing MSc in physiology. So क्या eligibility criteria रहता है और क्या आप after doing MSc what are the other fields you can join. So आज इन दोनों से हम बात करेंगे इस वीडियो के माध्यम से, और आप सबको कुछ नॉलेज शेयर करेंगे कि आप if you haven't done the MBBS, what else you can do and what else course you can join in this MSc, और MSc ज्वाइन करने के बाद आपका फ्यूचर प्लानिंग क्या कर सकते हो, तो जानेंगे आदित्य अदलखा से.
So hi guys, this is Aditya and I just completed my MSc in Physiology from AIMS New Delhi. So about my background, I did my bachelor's in Zoology from Ramjas College, Delhi University. Post that, during my course in university, I had explored a lot of opportunities in research. I did a lot of internships, and thereby I realized that I'm more inclined towards doing research. And since AIMS was established under one of the acts of the Constitution which motivated biomedical research, I thought that this could be the best opportunity for me to explore more of the avenues. And since my interest was almost inclined towards the human physiology, I went about it and I gave the entrance exams for the MSc in Physiology, and the eligibility for which is that you should have done your bachelor's in the basic sciences field, zoology, microbiology, life sciences, and probably you should have a percentage of more than 65 in your final as your final percentage. For more of the details, you can also go to the AIMS prospectus for the MSc courses and you'll find the eligibility there. After coming here and after going through the rigorous coursework that I was exposed to in the Department of Physiology for the MDs and MScs, which is the same, just the duration is different, I realized that I could be a good scientist and a teacher, and I should go on for a better or a bigger opportunities in academics, and hence I chose to do PhD for as a future career option. So what I did was that because the opportunities for academicians in this country is a bit haywire, I thought of moving to US for the same. And in my final year, I started preparing for my GRE, TOEFL, IELTS, whichever is like convenient for anybody, for my subject scores and for my English scores. And post that, then I went to fill in my applications, and now I'm enrolled for the Molecular and Developmental Biology PhD in Cincinnati. Thanks.
So long story short guys, अगर आपको एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया के बारे में जानना है, इट्स मोर बेटर कि आप प्रोस्पेक्टस को जाके विजिट करो. गो टू द स्टूडेंट टैब, एंड मैं यहाँ पे डाल रहा हूँ स्क्रीनशॉट, ठीक है, आप जाके देख सकते हो कैसे वहाँ पे विजिट करना है. प्रोस्पेक्टस को डाउनलोड करो, सारे फैसिलिटी जो भी अवेलेबल है यहाँ पे दिखाया जाएगा आपको, उसे अच्छे से पढ़ो. कुछ भी हो तो आप रिक्रूटमेंट सेल या फिर एकेडमिक सेक्शन में कॉल करके क्वेरी को पूछ सकते हो. फिर दूसरी तरफ आते हैं तो मिस्टर सौसो सुमानी इज हियर. ही इज़ ऑल्सो डूइंग न्यूक्लियर मेडिसिन. डूइंग क्या, इनफैक्ट हो चुका है, ऑलमोस्ट रिजल्ट अवेटेड है. तो जानते हैं एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया न्यूक्लियर मेडिसिन का, जो इनफैक्ट मैं भी इसके साथ ही किया हूँ, तो कंप्लीट ही हो गया है. तो क्या एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया रहा है और इसके बाद आप क्या कर सकते हो, तो जानते हैं.
Hi guys, my name is Shashwat and I have done both my bachelor's and master's from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, and I have done bachelor's in radiography and master's in nuclear medicine. the best part about both bachelor's and master's in this field that it is a professional field, so we can both go into the research field as well as the professional area in the job field, because we have to do a lot of clinical practice in terms of imaging modalities as well as in terms of patient preparations and patient history and patient workup. So it's a more of an advantage for us as we are working with both the patients as well as in the research area simultaneously. So we are getting the practice of both. We are getting practice for both the PhD areas as well as the job prospect. Since I have completed my MSc in nuclear medicine, so I have applied for both AIIMS PhD program as well as job in nuclear medicine. My further prospect would be definitely to go into the research area, but the backup, as I have already said, that the backup is very good because the job prospect in both the fields, that is radiography as well as nuclear medicine, is quite perfect. So I would definitely incline towards job area.
सो लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट गाइज, अगर आप प्रोफेशनल कोर्स की बात करोगे तो रेडियोग्राफी, न्यूक्लियर मेडिसिन, दीज आर द प्रोफेशनल कोर्स. अब रिसर्च की बात करोगे तो उसमें आदित्य लखा फिजियोलॉजी में करने के बाद, एमएससी इन फिजियोलॉजी करने के बाद ये बाहर ट्राई कर रहा है पीएचडी करने का. तो दिस वुड बी द वेरी गुड थिंग कि अगर आप पीएचडी अगर बाहर से कर रहे हो, क्योंकि इंडिया में आफ्टर पोस्ट एमएससी उतना ज़्यादा फैसिलिटी नहीं रहता. अगर आप फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रॉन्ग हो तो येस यू कैन डू डैट, और स्कॉलरशिप है तो आपके लिए तो वे बेटर है. तो वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो एक थम्स अप करना, और नए हो तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब. सो फॉर फर्दर इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. टिल देन बाय गाइज, टेक केयर, लव यू.